All right, I have Prahlad in my studio today, right? And I knew some stories about Prahlad. He grew up in a farming family, and today he is working, I guess, on the most complex databases engines in the world, I would say. And yeah, starting with directly with Prahlad and asking him, if you, Prahlad, you see yourself. Um, 20, 30 years back, during your in your childhood, and now you seeing yourself. So think of that child who is seeing yourself right now. What would surprise him the most? The child Prahlad, when he sees the current Prahlad, what will surprise him? So this is where we will start with.
Yeah. First of all, happy to be here with you, Pratik. You are taking me back 30 years, and I'm just imagining about my little one. So, as you already said, I born and brought up in a farmer family. It's a very rural place, I would say. No facilities even today also. So, the most surprising thing to that little one would be the journey that I have traveled so far. It's very, very complicated, hectic because of several parameters, and that little one would never have dreamed about the things that I am doing today or the place I am where right now. It was completely out of the scope of the brain of that little one, Prahlad. The one thing helped this little one so far up to this journey is the dedications and belief and hard work.
Is the little one happy seeing the journey of Prahlad?
Yeah, little one is happy, but now the bigger one is trying to tell that little one, I should not be satisfied at where I'm right now. That's
Yeah,
the
not getting complacent. So there are so many things to be achieve, and there are so many goals ahead. But yeah, back to that, the little Prahlad. एक ड्रीम होता, हम सबका ड्रीम था इन चाइल्डहुड। मुझे नहीं लगता किसी को इंजीनियर बनना। वी हैव वेरी डिफरेंट ड्रीम्स, लाइक माइन वाज क्लियरली लाइक pilot or air force or something. Growing up, our goals and our dreams change. Till fifth grade, I was looking forward to a pilot. Then by seventh or eighth grade, once I got interest in science, I always wanted to be a scientist. बट आई डोंट नो क्या हुआ हमारी पूरी की पूरी ब्रीड को उस टाइम की जो 80 लेट 80s और 90s अर्ली 90s में बॉर्न हुए हैं, सारे के सारे मेजरली इंजीनियर बन गए। तो कुछ तो हुआ, बट या गोइंग बैक और कनेक्टिंग द डॉट्स बैक, मुझे लगता है यू मी एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल्स आर प्रीटी हैप्पी विद द वे वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग आवर जर्नी। परफेक्ट। With this, yeah, you want to add something here?
yeah, it's on the same line, you know. I was also not sure what I'm going to do with my life. Uh to be honest, I'll just follow what you said. My parents were working in the farm very hard, and I was very much willing to help my parents in the farm, but they would not allow me to do so. They just used to say, you sit in front of the books and read the books and study. My mother never gone to any school, but she only was knowing I should study. That was only her dream and goal. Every day, all of my family members would go in the farm in the 9 a.m. in the morning and would come at home at 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. And I would be allowed to be at home for entire day, completing my school and just studying. No one was knowing why to study, what we want to achieve. No one. Just we were knowing we want to pass the grade that we are currently in. Little bit clarity came to mind when I passed my graduation. I was kind of thinking, okay, I'm good at mathematics, so I would start thinking about being a professor of mathematics. But that again turned a lot. But it's always true. We never know what we would be in the future, but being there all the time with you sincerely will definitely take you wherever you want to go. That's what I feel.
Yeah, so I have follow-up questions here, Prahlad. Multiple one, right? So we'll start with the first one, right? Tell me a bit about your village and the conditions there. You already talk about your family, and the kind of support you had from your family in terms of like बहुत clearly कि Prahlad, we just want you to study, and I'm assuming the whole family was not that educated, but they have a very clarity in their mind कि we don't want our kids or the children to continue that path. Probably maybe they were facing some hardships, and they wanted that पढ़ो लिखो and try something new or get into that. Okay. And yeah, like I can relate it. I'm coming from a business family, joint business family, you know. uh, so same, my father used to be almost like, busy in business, never knew that I was always good as a kid in terms of financial hardships. बहुत ज्यादा क्रिटिकल नहीं थी, in terms of like, टाइमली फीस चली जाती थी, बट से ज़्यादा कुछ और अफ़ोर्ड नहीं हो पाता था। दिस इज़ माय काइंड ऑफ बैकग्राउंड, और प्लस घर में स्पेस नहीं थी रहने के लिए। तो पॉसिबिलिटीज़ नहीं थी। सो मेनी मेंबर्स ऑलवेज़ चिट चैट एंड स्टफ। सो आई यूज्ड टू स्टे लेट इन द schools, or I used to sleep in the day, and generally used to awake. So night was my routine. When everyone used to sleep, that's where I could, सो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी नहीं होती थी, टिपिकल लैंप, केरोसिन लैंप आप डालते थे, तो यू कुड रिलेट। बहुत वैसी कहानी थी। बट या आई वाज नॉट ऑन द फार्म, मैं शहर में था, अच्छा स्कूल था, और बस ये थोड़ी सी सिचुएशंस थी जहाँ हम लोग पढ़ के निकले। आफ्टर टाइम थिंग्स मूव्ड बिकॉज आई मूव्ड आउट ऑफ द सिटी, आई वेंट फॉर आईआईटी प्रिपरेशन इन अ न्यू city, and hostel life and something. So that's where I used to love, okay, अपना रूम है, अकेला रूम है, हम पढ़ सकते। Yeah, so I'm just connecting your journey with mine in that way. See, my mom was like, I contribute my success to my mom in a way. She was very clear, right? कि
Yeah,
neither my father, neither my mother are, that graduated. Like my father probably did BA. My mom did some BA, MA. She couldn't continue her education, but she was very clear that I am housewife, but I want my children to be, educated. They should get the best education. Whatever, whatever, how they live, कैसे भी रहें वो लोग,
yeah,
and yeah, those are parents. And I guess like you and me, most of us and their parents have sacrificed their life at that time, their journey at that time, to make sure हम लोग जहाँ पर हैं। ठीक है।
yeah.
Question back to you. Tell me more about the village.
I'll go in parallel, right? I'll describe the village as well as my journey when I was little one in my village. So it's almost 15 kilometers away from district place, and now we have better roads there. But back then we were not having good roads, and schools are up to fourth only. After fourth, if some child has to go to the school and attend some schools, that child was supposed to walk for 3.5 kilometer one way and 3.5 kilometer again back to the home. In the rainy season, so everyone is from farmers family in my village. I mean, everyone is their bread and butter is farming. Yeah, and this is
Just asking you, 3.5 to and fro meters to and fro था. You used to visit some school outside village, or maybe some other village, or maybe the outers of city.
that's kind of Tehsil level
तहसील level.
place, not official Tehsil, but it was connected to highways,
Hmm.
and all the children from around nearby villages used to come there in that school. But the biggest problem was, in the rainy season. Today also we face the same problem. It's very, for some reason I don't know why, but in the rainy season we stay without light at home for a week or so very often. And back then there was no electricity. That's one thing. Second, when I was attending my eighth grade, eighth, ninth, and tenth, so during those 3 years, बारिश बहुत होती थी.
Hmm.
And on my way to the school, एक बहुत बड़ी, I would say not a river, but एक नाला हुआ करता था, so 10 feet deep. And in the morning it used to be okay, but while coming back to home, जोर से बारिश होती थी.
Overflow.
No chappals, no shoes, bare feet we needed to walk. And it was kind of, I remember I needed to sit on another bank of that nala to wait that water smoothen down and lessen down for
Hmm.
hours. Maybe I used to reach that place by 4 p.m., but up to 10 p.m. I used to wait for the water to slow down. So that was the situation. It was very kind of unfavorable situation for children to go to the school during rainy seasons. No bus, nothing.
I can, when I'm visualizing it, I can feel that situation and pain. मैं शहर में रहा था, बारिश होती थी, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वहाँ पे भी नहीं था, राइट? रोड्स नहीं थी और बिकॉज़ इतना अच्छा ड्रेनेज सिस्टम नहीं था, तो हल्की-सी भी बारिश में रोड पे अच्छा खासा पानी भर जाता था। व्हेन आई से अच्छा खासा, बीइंग अ किड हम लोग आधा डूब सकते थे, इतना होता था। एंड ऐसा कितनी बार हुआ है कि हम लोग टिपिकल रिक्शा में आते थे। अ, वो स्कूल से इधर लेकर आता था, नॉट द ऑटो रिक्शा, दैट हैंड और द पर्सन रनिंग दैट रिक्शा। अम, तो उस रिक्शे में आते थे, वो बहुत सारे बच्चे होते थे उसमें, तो थोड़ा बहुत भी इधर-उधर जाने पे वो पलट जाता था। और मल्टीपल बार वो पलटा है और हम लोग पानी के अंदर एंड तब तो मतलब एज़ अ किड मज़ा आता था और हँस लेते थे और गंदे हो जाते थे, पूरा गीला है। ऑब्वियसली घर पे आके डाँट पड़ती थी बट नाउ आई सी लाइक भी इस सिचुएशन में मेरे बच्चे के साथ ऐसा होगा, आई विल बी वेरी स्केयर्ड।
Yeah.
ये है क्या? ये हुआ क्यों? राइट।
So that we continued, I would like to add a bit further. Up to 10th, that was the situation. The school was 3 kilometers away from my village, and I passed my 10th for 12th. Because of the situations, my parents put me into my maternal uncle's home. So I completed my 12th year, but again for first year of my graduation,
ये
I came back to
थोड़ा-सा
my
प्रहलाद मुझे जानना है किधर है मैटरनल अंकल? वो कौन-सा सिटी है या विलेज है एंड आपके विलेज का क्या नाम है? कहाँ है?
right. So I'll start with the district name. It's Jalna in Marathwada region, and from Jalna, it's 15 kilometers to the east side. It's a village named Somnath. It's a twin village. Somnath Jargaon, it's named as, but particularly I belong to Somnath village. 50 families mostly are there in that village. And no, so there are multiple angles here. So for 11th and 12th, because of the situation, my parents could put me into my maternal uncle's home, which was kind of 35 kilometers away from my village, but again another village.
Okay, that was also a village.
And again the same journey, but only that Nala was not in between.
So
But
was
instead of
Nala a big issue that you moved, or was it like more
that
opportunity, a
was
better school in your at your maternal place?
That was one reason. Second reason, the 11th wasn't close to my home anyway by that time. I needed to visit district place. My parents were scared me allowing traveling daily to district place. The school was close by, nearby to my maternal uncle's home. It was again 4 kilometers away from that village, but still we used to be with this kind of journey, so they allowed me to go there. But there was another big
3.5
trouble. There
किलोमीटर
was a
पहले और
forest.
अब 4 किलोमीटर।
Yeah, but there was big trouble here for my 11th and 12th. There was a forest in between, and it belongs to Buldhana district of Maharashtra, and a lot of wild animals are there today also in that forest. It was another horrible journey for my 11th and 12th. After 7th PM, nobody would walk on that path because of those animals in
या
the
या या
forest. But I needed to,
हमारे यहाँ पर जो गाँव है उसमें भी कोई 6 बजे मैं रहा
yeah,
हूँ बट आई सेड ना मेरी जॉइंट फैमिली है तो मेरे ताऊ जी एंड चाचा जी वो लोग विलेज में एंड उनके ऑल देयर किड्स यूज्ड टू बी इन विलेज हु वाज लाइक आफ्टर 8th स्टैंडर्ड और आफ्टर 10th स्टैंडर्ड दे यूज्ड टू कम टू city at in my house and this is how they continue their education if they want to इन दैट वे 8वीं तक गाँव में 9th-10th शहर में आते थे, फिर डिसाइड करते थे 11th-12th द बीएससीज़ एंड द ग्रेजुएशंस कैसे करना है इन अ वे। हाँ, इतनी हार्डशिप्स नहीं थी जो मैं आपके सिचुएशन से समझ इश्यूज़ थे, गाँव से निकल में नहीं आना, लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज़ ऑन प्लस या शहर भी बहुत बड़ा नहीं था बट या अभी तो ठीक है। आई एम फ्रॉम अलीगढ़ बाय द वे, अलीगढ़ उत्तर प्रदेश। तो
yeah,
those were the things. Perfect. Prahlad, yes, I understood your village part, your maternal village part, and हम आगे की जर्नी पे आएंगे 12th के बाद की. I assume your 11th 12th was from your maternal side जहाँ आपने किया and उस जर्नी से आएंगे कि कैसे डिसाइड किया क्या करना है आगे एंड स्टफ बट मैं थोड़ा सा और फास्ट फॉरवर्ड होना चाहता हूँ अभी आपकी जर्नी में आई वाज ऑन योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल आई नो यू स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम in the tech world, almost like 18 years in engineering in database companies, right? And so, how do you connect yourself while you're sitting in these big offices of enterprises? What kind of feeling you get, and how you connect yourself with the journey which you have shared with me, or the whole life in some way?
yeah. Maybe There are several points, but 2 points that are very close to my heart. First, when I sit in my office, Oracle's building in Pune. So before I say this, I would like to mention one thing. We are 4 siblings, my parents. I'm the elder one. In between, there are 2 sisters, and the smallest one is again my brother. For my education, my parents couldn't afford education of my 2 sisters. So they didn't allow my sister. I mean, they couldn't allow.
Couldn't allow, yeah.
Now, when I sit in my office, the very first thing I see is that if I could reach here in this cabin and working for Oracle on high tech databases, so every child that is there in my village, uh, only thing they are lacking is their parents' support and that awareness. वो बच्चों को they are not aware कि ये ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. Child out of that village, I would feel satisfied in my life. That's first thing. No, and the second thing, when I look around my people in my offices, see uh, gender balance is there. Male and female are working head to head, and वहाँ पे कोई partiality नहीं है. So in villages, actually, because of several reasons, genuine reasons, girls, even if some parent could afford, they are not allowed to go to the school for several reasons. So the point is again same, not only boys, but I want to, I feel that every parent should do their best to let the child go to the school. That's only thing I feel should happen.
You talked about three things. One is parental support, the other is the awareness, and I'm adding the third one, which is the financial situations. राइट, मुझे लगता है ये तीन बहुत ही मेजर कंपोनेंट्स हैं जिसकी वजह से उस टाइम पर भी लोग और इस टाइम पर भी द फैमिलीज हु आर इन विलेज वो कई बार अपने चिल्ड्रंस को स्कूल या आगे एजुकेशन, एंड एज यू सेड अर्लियर आल्सो कि एटलीस्ट योर पेरेंट्स वर लाइक कि जितना जितना वो अफोर्ड कर सकते थे उसमें एटलीस्ट एक बच्चे को जो कि सबसे बड़ा था उसको उन्होंने पढ़ाया, बाकी फिर 2 सिस्टर्स हैं, फिर बाकी यंगर हैं एंड दे प्रोबब्ली वुड हैव फिगर आउट समथिंग फॉर द यंगर वन। एंड उस टाइम पे होता भी था कि फैमिली को आगे जाना है तो मे बी शायद बच्चों को या बेटों को आगे लिया जाता था, ऑल्दो नीदर यू वुड एग्री नीदर आई वुड एग्री कि वो सही था, लेकिन दैट वाज अ डिमांड ऑफ द सिचुएशन एट दैट टाइम।
Yeah,
सो कमिंग बैक, वो जो 3 मैंने कंपोनेंट्स बताए, उस टाइम पर अगर आप उनको वो 3 रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते थे कि वो बच्चे को पढ़ने में कि उस फैमिली के बच्चे पढ़ पाएँगे आगे और पढ़कर कुछ करेंगे। एंड अभी भी मुझे लगता है आज की सिचुएशन में वी आर इन 2026 एंड अभी भी रिमोट विलेजेस में या नॉर्मल विलेजेस में भी ये सिचुएशन है। तो डू यू थिंक कि वो 3 कंपोनेंट्स में कुछ प्रायोरिटी में ऊपर-नीचे आया है कंपेयर टू
yeah.
30 इयर्स बैक?
I feel happy to share that. But before that, I am the first one who went out of the village for 11th grade. I am the first one in the village who got graduation. I'm the first one who got master's degree, MTech in mathematics and computer science. And looking at my journey, my neighbors who were a little bit capable from financial side, they started asking their kids to follow my journey. So now I feel there are 4 to 5 other students who followed my journey and now having master's degree. So वो जो देखने का जो नज़रिया है वो बदल चुका है थोड़ा बहुत। दिफ व्हेन आई वाज़ इन 10th एवरीबॉडी वाज़ लाइक व्हाट विल यू डू इफ यू स्टडी फर्दर? वी डोंट हैव मनी टू आई मीन नॉट ओनली मनी बट
है ही नहीं।
बेटा हुआ है कि एजुकेशन मीन्स ओनली जॉब, नथिंग बियॉन्ड
या
दैट।
या
सो
या
दैट माइंडसेट स्टिल इज़ देयर।
नहीं है, ये हमारे हाथ का काम है, खेती पे जितना मेहनत करेंगे सबकी नौकरी क्यों करनी है, एक माइंडसेट था जिसको
राइट,
तोड़ना भी बहुत मुश्किल था। एंड कहीं न कहीं अवेयरनेस भी नहीं थी जो आपने लेकर आए, और हम में से किसी को अवेयरनेस नहीं थी, हम बस एक पाथ पे चल रहे थे कि कुछ हो जाएगा। टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक 10th 11th 12th तक मुझे इंजीनियरिंग में मुझे आईआईटी भी नहीं पता था। बट कहीं न कहीं लाइफ में कुछ-कुछ मिला एंड किसी ने वो ज्ञान दिया, फिर हमने अपने पेरेंट्स को बहुत चीज़ें होती हैं, कहीं-कहीं पेरेंट्स सपोर्टेबल नहीं होते, यू वुड हैव सीन इट अमंग नेबर्स और बाकी, और अभी तक भी नहीं होते। मैंने ऐसी सिचुएशंस भी देखी हैं जहाँ बच्चे कैपेबल हैं, पढ़ भी अच्छे रहे हैं एंड पेरेंट्स सपोर्टेबल नहीं है और फाइनेंशियल भी बहुत ठीक है। सो एट अ टाइम मैंने देखा है 2 चीज़ें ठीक हो जाती हैं, एक खराब है। फाइनेंस खराब है तो सपोर्टिव हैं और अवेयरनेस। अगर सपोर्टिव हैं लेकिन बच्चा ही पढ़ने में अच्छा नहीं है,
Yeah,
ऑफ थिंग्स। सो दीज़ आर द 3 पैरामीटर्स, अगर तीनों फिट हो जाते हैं तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कोई और फ़ोर्स है
yeah.
जो रोकेगी किसी को
I
इसमें
would
से।
I would say, that third criteria जो फाइनेंस वाला है, it could sit a little bit down in the list.
हुँ,
पहला तो वो अवेयरनेस एंड विलिंगनेस इज द
हुँ।
मस्ट थिंग।
फाइनेंसेस फिगर आउट हो जाते हैं, 30 इयर्स पहले भी अगर था तो कुछ ना कुछ फिगर आउट हो जाता है। इन
या
योर जर्नी, इन माय जर्नी, माय पेरेंट्स वर नॉट कैपेबल टू सेंड मी हॉस्टल इन 11th-12th in Kota. But when they saw that spark in my eyes, when they saw my 10th numbers, when they hear from my teachers that he could make it, and they said, okay, whatever it will take to them, they will make sure that my fees for coaching in Kota and my hostel will be, they will support me in that way. And that's a kind of confidence once you get it as a kid, आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो जाते हो बहुत ज़्यादा। बिकॉज़ आपको पता है यार आपकी फैमिली बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ कर रही है आपके डिसीज़न के लिए और आपके ड्रीम्स। वो
या
मुझे लगता है बहुत हद तक अगर पॉज़िटिवली लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है, बट आई हैव सीन पीपल जो उसको नेगेटिव ले जा आई सीन किड्स जो बहुत नेगेटिव ले जाते हैं और फिर वो एक बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट पाथ पे च अभी उसके बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है?
या
अभी बात करेंगे कि ऐसे बैकग्राउंड से ऑलमोस्ट सारी रिसोर्सेज़ बहुत स्केर्स थी। नाउ यू आर इन योर कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ़। यहाँ मुझे नहीं लगता कुछ ख़ास स्कैरसिटी है। So, so tell me the scarcity you have learned or you have faced as a kid in a farmer's family. What is that scarcity teaching you in the corporate life?
वाओ, दिस इज रियली अ वेरी नाइस क्वेश्चन।
हम लोगों का बैकग्राउंड कहीं न कहीं हेल्प करता है ना, जो हम बोलते हैं अपब्रिंगिंग आपकी कैसे हुई है, वो आज आपके सिचुएशंस आप कैसे रिएक्ट करते हो, आप किस सिचुएशन में हो, व्हेन थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड। सो मैं उस एंगल पे आप
राइट, सो आई वुड ट्राई माय बेस्ट, responding to your this question. The scarcity in the childhood, the very first scarcity was about bread and butter. I don't know, for some reason that's the life of farmers.
हुँ,
नेचर साथ नहीं दे रहा है, या फॉर ऑल टुगेदर रीजंस, बट टुडे आल्सो हु आर रियल फार्मर्स दे स्ट्रगल फॉर देयर डेली ब्रेड एंड सो में से भी खाना मिला ना, तो इट वाज काइंड ऑफ ओके, आई कैन सर्वाइव फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 days एंड आई कैन यूटिलाइज दोस 2 days टू अर्न मोर बेटर ब्रेड एंड बटर सिचुएशन फॉर माय फैमिली। सो वो जो सिचुएशन है ना, ऐसा बोलते कि स्थिति जो सिखाती है, नो स्कूल कैन टीच यू दैट थिंग। And my unfavorable situations, for some reason now it was there, so that's okay, I don't complain, but that has, I would I would say thank you to my situation. It have taught me a lot of things. First one is, being dedicated and sincerely taking whatever you do, irrespective of outcomes. So आप मुझे अगर आप बोलते हो कि maybe corporate life, whenever I get assigned some projects, I don't, first of all, I jump into that. I don't figure it. I mean, don't judge how good it is or bad it is from my personal angle. I just do my work very sincerely and dedicatedly. I mean, everyone does that. I would not say nobody does that. Everyone does that. But the scarcity has taught me one thing: be genuine to yourself, your own version. That is what is helping me to survive in this corporate world so far. And
या मतलब आई थिंक I agree with you on this part and like I can relate with that also प्रहलाद। सो मैंने आपको बोला ना फार्मिंग बैकग्राउंड से नहीं हम लोग मैं बिजनेस
yeah,
फैमिली से बट
yeah,
बहुत बड़े बिजनेसेस नहीं थे एंड बस काम चलता था सिंपल टिपिकल ब्रेड एंड बटर काइंड ऑफ थिंग इन अ वे बट जॉइंट फैमिली थी न्यूक्लियर
yeah,
फैमिली थी एंड
yeah,
व्हेन आई से जॉइंट फैमिली जस्ट इमेजिन 16 people living in a one bedroom apartment,
yeah,
राइट? सो मतलब
yeah.
बहुत
It's
मुश्किल
very
था वो।
touchy. Yeah, I
या
can
मे बी
imagine.
मुंबई में लोग रिलेट कर पाएँगे। हमारे यहाँ
Yeah,
बहुत मुश्किल था कि वो
right.
सिर्फ़ एक एक बेडरूम है, एक छोटी-सी किचन है एंड बाथरूम भी मतलब यू हैव टू गो
Out. Yeah.
टेक वॉक करके नीचे जाना है, फिर एक
Yes.
आपको
Common utility. Yeah.
कॉमन वन विद नॉट जस्ट 16 पीपल दैट विल बी शेयर्ड बाय सम लेट्स से 30 ओड
Neighbors.
पीपल।
Yeah.
सो
Yeah.
दैट्स द जर्नी इन दैट वे। मुझे कई बार लोग बोलते हैं यार ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ किया है लाइफ़ में और जॉइंट फैमिली में तो बहुत कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो। उस टाइम पे मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं कि कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ है। कई बार प्रॉब्लम होती थी यार व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लाइफ आई एम लिविंग बिकॉज़ आई वाज़ स्टडीइंग इन अ गुड स्कूल एंड कंपैरिज़न हो जाता है कि बाकी बच्चे दे दे आर pretty good family. कभी-कभी आता था दिमाग में, but because I was a good student तो ज़्यादा फ़र्क पड़ता नहीं. At the end I was winning at some part of the life at that moment also. बैक टू दिस, जब मैं कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में आया या व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड, जो लोगों ने पूछा कि यार ये तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ है बहुत बड़ा, तो आई सेड नहीं यार, आई आई डिडंट सी एज़ अ कॉम्प्रोमाइज़. आई सॉ दैट एज़ अ कोलैबोरेशन, एज़ अ कोऑपरेशन, बिकमिंग मोर कंपैशनेट. बहुत थोड़ी-सी चीज़ें आती
Wow.
थी मैं,
Mm.
ठीक है? फिर मतलब फ्रूट्स आए या दिवाली क्रैकर्स आए, तो वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होते थे. एंड इट वाज़ लाइक तू मेरा ले ले, तेरे को ये पसंद नहीं
Yeah.
है,
Yeah.
ठीक
Yeah.
है, इट यूज्ड टू बी दैट वे. आप समझ में आते हो कि लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज को विदाउट जस्ट कि ये मेरा है, मैं ही लूँगा, आई वुड हैव द प्रायोरिटी. तो मैं अभी भी देखता हूँ कॉर्पोरेट्स में, हर जगह देखता हूँ कि अच्छा ये सिचुएशन है. हमने कभी सीखी नहीं, बट एज़ यू सेड ना, अपब्रिंगिंग्स आपकी कैसी हुई हैं, आप किस सिचुएशन में हो, परिस्थिति एक बहुत बड़ा वर्ड आपने यूज़ किया,
Good one. Yeah.
वो आपको बहुत कुछ सिखा. अच्छा, अब ये परिस्थिति से आते हैं प्रहलाद, क्वेश्चन है मेरा बहुत, कि आपकी परिस्थिति और मेरी परिस्थिति, द सिचुएशन, बैकग्राउंड वी हैड, राइट? डू यू थिंक कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस काइंड ऑफ बैकग्राउंड मेड यू मोर रिस्क अवर्स और मोर रेज़िलिएंट?
I think more resilient. सबसे पहले तो I have my kids, so my children doesn't need to go through this situations और ये परिस्थितियाँ जो है just to become more resilient. So there could be multiple
रेज़िलिएंट
ways.
तो आई थिंक हमारी कहानी से दोनों की सब पता चल रहा है, राइट?
Yeah,
मेरे केस में भी मैं रेज़िलिएंट बना, लेकिन जब बाकी लोग मुझे देखते हैं, आई हैव बीन अ रिस्क टेकिंग गाय, कहीं न कहीं हमेशा लिया मैंने. एंड आई सी, जब इस बैकग्राउंड से लोग आते हैं तो वो इतने रिस्क टेकिंग नहीं होते, फॉर ऑब्वियस रीज़न कि जो बैकग्राउंड है, अभी हम वी डोंट सी, वी आर नॉट कमिंग फ्रॉम द फैमिलीज़ ऑफ रिचेज़, कि अगर हम
yeah,
फेल हुए तो कुछ है हमारे पास, एक सेफ्टी नेट है. जो बोलते हैं
yeah,
ना, इंडियन स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम एंड द यूएस, मैं उनको यही बोलता हूँ, भाई आपके यहाँ जो इकोसिस्टम है वो आज नहीं बना है, वो 100 साल से बना हुआ है. पीपल हैव सेफ्टी नेट्स, इंडिया में नहीं था सेफ्टी नेट किसी के पास, अभी भी लोगों के पास सेफ्टी नेट नहीं है, फिर भी वो रिस्क ले लेते हैं, राइट?
yeah,
ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्किल, कि चलो कुछ नहीं होगा, तो बोलते हैं ना, तजुर्बा होगा और
yeah,
कुछ और कर लेंगे.
of course.
एटलीस्ट इस पे भरोसा है, नॉट बिकॉज पापा का बैंक बैलेंस है और वो रोक लेंगे या कुछ हो जाएगा, ना, मतलब आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल ऑफ देम, बट मेजरली तो लोगों का ऐसा है. सो नाउ आई एम कंपेयरिंग, नॉट कंपेयरिंग, आई वांटेड टू नो यू कि आज इस सिचुएशन में डू यू थिंक कि आज आप रिस्क ले सकते हो?
Yeah. अभी सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि आई कैन टेक द रिस्क एंड प्रोबेबली आई फील दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडर आई हैव read भगवद गीता couple of times. So, most important thing I have learned so far that's on top of priority right now is taking risk and trying and learning new things is what is most important. Failing to try is the biggest failure. That's what I have learned so far. Doesn't matter where you land or how much you will earn, but we must try. That's what we are here on this planet Earth. We are on karma bhumi. We have to do karma. So yeah, the shortest answer is ready to take risks, and
Ready to take
everyone should.
things.
Yeah,
Right. I know for a reason, and from this conversation also, like you are into the software world, in these, working with these enterprises, and I'm very sure, and I know for a reason, as I said, that you are still connected with your village, with the people, with the
yeah.
farming life. I've understanding of that. Question to you: do you feel after these 18-20 years that you are stuck in this typical enterprise database kind of engine room, like you are stuck in the corporate life today, you think?
The shortest answer is yes. I feel that I'm not using my best potential to do whatever I'm doing right now. I could do a lot more, but जो platform जो होता है ना, we are stuck in a loop, and I really feel that this is the time I should come out of that loop right
Come
now.
out of that. Right. Agreed. See, अभी आप एम्बा में हमारे साथ हो, 18-20 साल के एक्सपीरियंस के बाद, we're learning like from strategy to leadership, we are learning almost all these things which are required. And right, the question around this is like amba strategy, leadership, हमने सब पढ़ा. You think engineers like you, like me and others, they wake up pretty late, to this kind of business thinking?
Very naturally, I was thinking when I completed 10 modules in the month of 10, I was kind of thinking about maybe I'm late. I should have come to this kind of program a bit early. But I console myself, never is late. No, understanding bigger picture and trying to do at your best level is something that matters. Doesn't matter when you are starting it. That's what I think.
So you
So
feel like कि अच्छा लेट या अर्ली से कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, but at least
yeah,
होना चाहिए whenever
at
you
least
feel
होना
like that.
चाहिए. Yeah. At
Right.
least
This is totally on our side. Like, what you think of the world? Like, बाकी इंजीनियर्स थोड़ा लेट कर देते हैं या यू थिंक कि इट्स ओके, लेट देम डिसाइड जब उनको लगता है कि उनको मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रेटजी लीडरशिप सीखनी है, एंड इट्स ओके इफ दे वांट टू बी इनटू दैट इंडिविजुअल कंट्रीब्यूटर रोल ऑफ बीइंग अ टेकी होल लाइफ.
No, I strongly feel that every engineer should understand the bigger picture. Doesn't matter what he is going to spend life on. Maybe he can be a pure technical guy, or maybe he can be a mixture, or maybe can go completely on management side. But whatever you are building today, whatever you are spending your life on, doesn't matter whether for a company or for your own. But you need to understand where it is landing at the end of the day. Who is benefiting out of that? And unless you understand who is getting benefited, you won't feel connected to the things that you are doing. You will. So before I started our Imba journey, I was kind of okay. It's like I just deliver my task and there were no connections. But now I try to connect story from start to end. Whatever I deliver, it is going on the plate of some customers. They are they are using that for some reasons, for their business reasons, and and the society is getting benefited because of their business. I can imagine, and this understanding is really important. It adds more maturity, and maybe probably it will help somewhere, sometime, to become your better self, score yourself in a better way. That's very important.
So let's move now to a different segment. You know, the one which I love the most, and it's pretty interesting.
Mhm.
AI, artificial intelligence. Okay. So AI is transforming everything, you know, from software to you say all the industries and sector. It is
Yes.
definitely transforming agriculture,
Yeah.
right? So from your lens, how is AI going to change farming in India, let's say in next 10 years?
Yeah. Fortunately, I'm working with this startup, which is in agriculture only, and they are using these AI robots to transform the life of the farmers. I'm very optimistic and positive. The biggest. So, आज की situation क्या है ना प्रतीक जी? Nobody in my village wants to do farming.
Yeah, yeah,
That's the situation.
same in
Yeah. Yeah. Symptom, right? This is symptom. This is not the cause.
Hmm.
So if you go a little bit down to the cause in my village, I would tell you there are problems with electricity. There are problems with water. There are problems with technologies. There are problems with finances. There are problems with labors. There are many problems. Even सिक्स जी आपको पता है यार शाम को आई डोंट हैव आई डोंट हैव आटा ब्रेड एंड बटर बनाने के लिए तो व्हाई वुड यू डू दैट व्हाई वुड यू स्पेंड लाइफ ऑन डूइंग दैट थिंग अगेन एंड अगेन पीढ़ी पीढ़ी आप ये काम क्यों करोगे अगर आपको वापस फार्मिंग में इंटरेस्ट पैदा करना है देन यू नीड दिस काइंड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजीज अगर ये कृषि अभी हम वी आर वर्किंग एट IIT स्टार्टअप अगर if this startup becomes successful now, it will change mindset of a lot of farmers. Believe me, करोगे प्रतीक जी, during my graduations, I used to come home by 9 p.m. and during entire night, I used to stand up in my farm. Manually, I was watering my crops because daytime में electricity नहीं रहती.
नहीं होता है, वो रात में आता है और फिर रात में लोगों को लगता है कि ठीक है, मेरे यहाँ भी होता था वो एक कुछ टाइम
Yeah.
स्लॉट्स होता है कि 2 घंटे आए, तो रात में जब मर्ज मिडनाइट पे आ रहे हैं, जो भी टाइम स्लॉट होता था, उस टाइम पर वो अपना पंप चलाते थे और पानी दिया जाता था इन अ वे।
So तो ये जो technology, AI, robots now that guy is building agri app, which is going to help farmers for spraying, weeding, and sowing.
वेडिंग एंड एवरीथिंग।
Yeah. So if this becomes reality, I definitely know it would. But
इट वुड या
the
लाइक
mindset,
5 इयर्स
yeah,
बैक मैं भी एक स्टार्टअप को हेल्प कर रहा था, वो प्रॉपर एग्री एग्री रोबोट्स के अंदर ही थे। नो मल्टीपल थिंग्स फ्रॉम रोबोटिक drones to robots in the field which will do, you know, for the harvesting part, for spraying the pesticides and removing weeds, and for watering also in a way. So people were building it, and with AI, it will become more intelligent rather than controlled through a remote in a way. So yeah, malab, I am a firm believer AI will change, but the
Definitely, definitely.
question is,
Not only okay.
do you think small farmers will benefit, or will the big players dominate here?
In the beginning, I feel big players will dominate here because the cost of building these technologies is very high and willingness to pay is very low from small farmers' point of view. But technology will change every day. Servicing model will change day by day.
Yeah, so I think business model will change, प्रहलाद ना। मुझे
Yeah,
ऐसा मतलब दिस इज माय फीलिंग कि मे बी स्मॉल फार्मर्स भी बहुत ज्यादा वेट नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज द
बहुत
कंपनीज
ज़्यादा
हु विल
वेट
बी बिल्डिंग दीज ड्रोन्स एंड रोबोट्स नो द बिजनेस मॉडल। वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ बाइंग बिजनेस मॉडल पे नहीं जाएंगे, सर्विस फर्स्ट मॉडल पे भी जाएंगे जहाँ रेंट किया जाएगा। No, small
Yeah,
farmers will rent and the big farmers may rent or may buy it because उनकी need बहुत बड़ी है, और they would require it कि rather than servicing,
उनको
it's
शेयर
better
नहीं
to
करना
buy
है
and that
रिसोर्स।
will be beneficial for them. With
या
AI, with businesses, with startups going into, they will figure out, because scarcity जब होती है ना रिसोर्स की, सॉल्यूशंस की, तब दिक्कत हो जाती है। यहाँ मुझे लगता है abundant AI tools and AI related, AI first farming solutions will come in, and things may change. Not an expert in
या
farming, but yeah, in AI, I'm a firm believer कि ऐसा कुछ होगा.
होगा या two lenses here, Pratik ji. The first is very important that you already pointed out, right? These technologies will help farmers to increase their yield and thereby increasing their income. That is going to help a lot. Of course, all farmers will also be benefited from this by using servicing models. That's one thing. But ये जो पीढ़ी का जो problems है, right? The next new generations are is not willing to work in the farm for some reasons, right? Maybe I would say when I was working in the farm when I was in fifth, I was sowing soybean. Today, after 20 years, I also harvest the same crop, but the cost of harvesting has exponentially increased. So farmers कैसे ना, okay, farming करनी है, no need of school, just go and work in the farm. Alright. So
हाँ.
not only farmer angle, but if you can bring some, let's say, social media of education.
तो या आई रिमेम्बर कि बहुत सारे कृषि कृषि से रिलेटेड चैनल्स आए, और एजुकेशन अवेयरनेस पे बहुत काम हुआ, क्योंकि अगर आप जस्ट आप ब्लाइंडली फार्मिंग कर रहे हो तो फार्मर्स जस्ट डोंट नीड टू बी हैविंग big fields and cropping same crop. They now need to understand the weather patterns, how
Yeah,
climate is changing, how the soil is changing, what to be, किस टाइप की क्रॉप्स जिनकी वैल्यू ज़्यादा हो रही है, हम क्या यूज़ करें? यू नो ऐसा मुझे पता चला कि सिर्फ़ हम आँख बंद करके वीट उगा रहे थे इस एरिया में, एंड हर एक
yeah,
एरिया में एक टाइप की क्रॉप होती थी। एंड व्हेन वी सी कि एक्सपोर्ट हम कितना कर रहे हैं, इम्पोर्ट हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वो जब नंबर्स आते हैं समझ में, तो वी कुड फिगर आउट कि बॉस क्या बेस्ट है ऑप्शंस हमारे लिए। एंड वो अवेयरनेस से आता है, वो नॉलेज से आता है।
yeah,
रिमेंबर समवन सेइंग कि अब फार्मिंग इज नॉट जस्ट द फिजिकल लेबर, इफ यू जस्ट ऐड सम एजुकेशन एंड इंटेलिजेंस इनटू इट, नेक्स्ट बिग थिंग। और उसमें मैं आऊंगा अभी, आई हैव अ वेरी गुड रैपिड फायर फॉर यू जो मैंने वर्क किया हुआ है, तो हम उस पे बहुत अच्छा डिस्कशन करेंगे। बट एक फ्रॉम दिस सेगमेंट आई हैव वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन। इफ यू हैड कैपिटल एंड फ्रीडम, ओके, अनलिमिटेड, वुड यू बिल्ड समथिंग एट द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ एआई एंड फार्मिंग?
yes, of course. My startup idea is at the intersection of the same thing. आज का biggest problem ये है, प्रतीक जी, when I eat my lunch or dinner ना, I don't see chapatis, dal, rice. I see the chemical residues sitting invisible into this daily bread and butter. So this is a very poison to our health. So definitely, if I had capital and freedom, I would just build at the intersection of helping farmers' life, increasing yield, and making it pure. As making it shorter. Yeah.
वेरिएबल्स हैं जो ऊपर नीचे हैं, हाउ टू ऑप्टिमाइज दोस वेरिएबल्स टू सपोर्ट द ग्रोअर, द फार्मर्स, टू सपोर्ट the whole ecosystem and end to the consumer. तो मुझे लगता है it's not an easy task जितना सिर्फ बोला और समझा जाता है, and for that
Yeah,
reasons हम लोग ये pesticides और ये सब हम खा रहे हैं in all the vegetables, in the fruits and everything. It's not just a capitalist mind, it's a part of the whole ecosystem. Just
yeah,
one piece of
yeah.
the ecosystem change करने से नहीं होगा,
नहीं
और
हो
डिस्कशन होगा मुझे लगता है, राइट? एंड yeah, because of the limited time we have now, I'll
Yeah,
directly move into the rapid fire, right?
yeah,
So
sure.
AI in farming, is it opportunity or hype?
Opportunity,
Traditional farming or smart farming?
not farming,
Corporate job or entrepreneurship?
entrepreneurship,
MBA worth it so far? Yes, or still evaluating? Yes. Village life or Mumbai life?
village life,
One skill every engineer must learn today.
understanding the needs,
One skill every farmer must learn today.
understanding the smart farming.
Data is the new oil. Agree or
Yes,
disagree?
yes, I agree.
Okay. You are from math background. So math over instinct or instinct over math.
Instinct over math.
So you don't believe in data. Just pulling your leg. Okay. If not software, what career would you choose?
Professor in mathematics.
Do you still have that dream that you want to go back to the school or the college to become a professor?
IT studios.
To teach today also. Same here. I have the A plan, the B plan, and the C plan. If this doesn't work out, if this doesn't work out, I'll be a professor in some college.
You're really an admiring for me, you know. I
I
just,
started my career as a teacher only, so I want to. This is something which I love, and that was always a safety net for me. To be very frank, when I took risk, always the last step which I did was my safety net. That if
yeah,
this doesn't work out, I could come back here for sure. So yeah, a lot of listeners of this podcast, which we just started up, mid-career professionals. They are strong technically, but they probably would be thinking what next. So from your journey, what one advice would you give someone who feels capable but unsure about their next leap or next step?
face the problem and solve the real problems of the society. It is really the biggest takeaway, I would say. Most of the times ये होता है कि हम problem से, so it's not a
Hmm.
solution.
20 years down the
That's all.
line, Prahlad, 20
Yeah,
years down the line, 2046 आप वहां पर हो गए, ठीक है? ऑलमोस्ट 2046 क्या 2047 100 years of our independence जब आप बैठे होगे और अपने बारे में सोच रहे, so what kind of story you would like to be associated with? A successful engineer, profound or a successful farmer, or a business leader, or someone who bridged multiple words in a way?
yeah. It's difficult to say in one word. So yeah, I can say entrepreneur uh, in one word.
With
Yeah,
professor, with farmer.
yeah, yeah. And this is a profession. If we sit in 2047 and if you ask me this question, I would be more happy to say I helped all children in my village to become their better self one, right? That would be the best one. So this is not for money. So entrepreneurs won't help you.
Perfect. Prahlad, love talking to you. Thanks for, giving that this kind of time to me and, sharing all the thoughts. This was really insightful and love talking to you, man.
Thank you so much for your time also and for inviting me on this podcast. It was really nice hearing you and talking with you. You took me, I am feeling nostalgic after ending this. Probably I'm going to sit alone for an hour, going to think about my little one. Probably it is going to help me trigger something new one inside me, which I would have not thought about. So thanks to you a lot. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
yeah. It happens, Prahlad. When someone digs and understand your story, trust me, it's a good thing. You will feel
Yeah,
good. There will be a smile on your face, at least till the evening or, till the next morning.
yeah,
I can relate with my experience. Very, very few people know my story, but whenever I have shared my story, it always feels good, that you shared it in a way.
for better
So,
reason.
yeah, I
You are,
hope you would be
you are on a
happy.
mission. I wish you all the very best and good luck.
Thanks for that.